Hi guys, Eran Trenet here. Today I want to speak about how you could build a professional website in exactly 9 minutes and 90 seconds. Okay, in 10 minutes. The methodology I'm going to use is just to use basic HTML. There are lots of advantages of using basic HTML. Of course, I'm a fan of HTML because I started with HTML in 1993 when it was just invented. There are just 300 developers worldwide, and 1,000 websites. I got really excited, how this simple thing can make something which someone else will be able to browse and see. Okay, so I'm quite fond of HTML. And of course, JavaScript and what is derived from that. But the basic advantage of that for using HTML, first of all, you will own the intellectual property. You don't need to register at any website. You just own the files and you can host them wherever you want to host them. There will be no dependencies, no server dependency. You don't need to install a framework or specific something which later on will basically screw you. It's the cheapest option available. Okay, it's easy to maintain. It's a lot of fun. You learn a skill and it's very, very easy. Let's have a look how you could do that. Let's go on Google and write free HTML template. And let's add Bootstrap, which actually Google already added for me. Bootstrap is a style sheet framework which is making things quite easy to maintain. It's not the best, but it's definitely useful. And let's go on this website, which is Bootstrap Taste. Out of many of them, look at those free HTML templates. They're so nice, so beautiful. They just beautiful. It's something that you would pay thousands of dollars to do with a designer, and those designers just give it to you for free. Look, for example, at this template, which is like a vector template. Look how nice it is. It just, no words, really, really beautiful. Okay. Look how it looks. Animations, placeholders, icons, really nice navigation bar. Everything is really, really beautiful. Let's download it. You should check before you download it the terms and conditions, Some free templates ask you to add a link, some other ask you to donate. Just read carefully the copyright notice and see that you can use it for commercial use. Usually you could. We'll download it and see what happened. It's already here. It's called Upland. I will extract the files. I will go on the directory. Usually what you will see in such directories, you will see very basic structure of HTML, and then directories which usually will include CSS files, which are style sheet, images, and JavaScript. What I want you to do is basically just to look at the HTML. You should use a text editor. I'm using a Macintosh, so I'm using JEdit, which is simple. I like simple things. It's a simple text editor. If you're using a Windows computer, you should try Notepad++. It's a really good text editor. I'm loading the HTML file, and look how it looks. There's a match between what you see in the screen. 1 second, I will open the file, double click it. This is now open on my computer. There's a match between what you see on the screen and what the HTML looks like, obviously. But HTML is a markup language. It's a very simple language. The tags, the commands are enclosed within those tag signs, which is a smaller than, greater than. And all the rest is basically text. Whatever is outside of the markup is basically text. And you can change this text. Okay, you can build, let's build my new website, Eran Trenet website. That's the title. Okay, and let's look, this is the navigation. You should be able to spot, you see the spot, the app features, gallery, pricing, FAQ. App features, gallery, pricing, FAQ. Let's change it. Let's write my CV. And here, I don't know, my friends. Sorry. And here we'll write, I don't know, my hobbies. And if you scroll down, you see this line, H1, the header, it's exactly that line. App landing page template. and then below it, lorem ipsum dolor sit amet, which is a Latin placeholder. So let's write down here, hi, I'm Eran Ternet, and oops, spelling mistake, and I'm looking forward to speak with you. Just something, you know, forward to speak with you. Welcome. Let's save the file. Okay, I'm saving the file. File, save, and refresh the page. Let's see what happened. Refresh the page. Look, hi, I'm Eran Ternet. I'm looking forward to speak with you. Okay, oops, I made a mistake there, never mind. But the same thing you can do by changing the text all around the site. Here's the logo. Let's change the logo. Let's spot where the logo is. Oh, here it is. Let's write Eran Ternet. Let's save it. Refresh. Eran Ternet. Okay, so that's how you do it. Here's the navigation bar changed. Let's change this image. Okay, let's change the image. Very simple. Let's spot where the image is. Let's scroll down. It's beside this, hi, I'm Eran Ternet. Yeah, oh, this looks like a suspicious image. The image is assets img / hero img. Let's confirm this by going to img. Which one was it? img, assets, sorry, assets, img, hero img, it's here. Let's put my picture there. Let's go on my website, eranternet.com. It's in Canada, and now in New Zealand. It will take a bit of a while to load. But after it's being loaded, I will save it to the folder and show you that I can basically place on the site, I can place my image, my photo. 1, 2, save. Save image as, let's save it, let's call it Eran. Let's see that I'm in the right place. Yeah, Upland, img, save. And let's change the code and write here Eran. Let's save it. Refresh. Oops, that's not the right one. Refresh. Ah, what did I do? Probably didn't save it in the right place. How did I save it? Save image as. It's 9 minutes with problems. 9 minutes and 90 seconds with issues. Here it is. Okay, so now look, we have the folder of the files. That's how it looks. What I need to do now is basically install it on a server. Install it on a place where everyone will be able to see it. At the moment, it is on my local directory. I installed already a server under demo.eranternet.com. What I want to say that lots of companies like GoDaddy, Namecheap, and all those, they sell you with a domain name. You can, with a click of a button, install a server. And then all what you need to do is to transfer the files to the server. Okay? And how you do that? You install a software which looks like something like FileZilla, which I have here. The left side of FileZilla is showing you basically your hard drive. And the right side, when I'm connected to the server, is showing me the server. Let's have a look. Connecting to the server. And then all what I need to do, this is my directory. I'll go to the server files, mark up everything, transfer it to the server. It's sending it over all the way. This server is actually in Sydney, and I'm now in Wellington, New Zealand. So it's behind the corner in terms of the Pacific. And once we finished it, I will refresh the page and I will show you what happened. Finished. Let's refresh. Here it is. The site is online and accessible by everyone. So what I want to say, getting your own website and building your own website is easy. Of course, you will not do it like me, like in 9 minutes and stuff like that. You need to invest some time in it. I want to mention w3school.com. On this website, you can learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, anything quite fast. I believe that in 1 week time, once you download a good template, you will be able to have a really good website. And if you want to invest more in the content and the graphics, a month, but it will be your website that you own, that you run, that you own the intellectual property. That's it for today, and I'm looking forward to hear from you, to get ideas, comments, anything that you would like to say, and see you next time. Bye-bye.